Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Agus fáilte Gadi Fish Nua. Welcome to a new video. This week we're going to look at how to say you liked something oscailge in Irish. So rather than saying ismálam, which means I like, we're going to look at how to say that in the past tense. We're also going to look at 3 different ways, so stay until the end so that you get all 3 and then you can sound like a native speaker. Firstly, if you would like to be able to add some Irish to your emails, so your work emails or your personal emails, then we have some openings and closings that you can just download below this video. It's on a really easy, handy PDF and you can get that for free right now. Horailin, on we go. So I liked it in the past is Hatton Shay Lum. Hatton Shay Lum. Hatton Shay Lum. I liked it. Now, pronunciation disclaimer, as it goes for all Irish and all videos, there are 3 different dialects in Irish and phrases and words are pronounced different across the dialects. You can type any phrase into aber.ie and you can hear it pronounced in each dialect. For example, in Ulster, you do hear this T and it sounds more like Hatchin Shelum. But again, you can listen to that in aber.ie and hear that from a native speaker. However, in Munster and Connacht, they tend not to pronounce that and it's Hatton Shay Lum. Now, I liked that, so rather than I liked it, I liked that. Hatton Shay Shin Lum. Hatton Shay Shin Lum. I liked that. Hatton Shay Shin Lum. Agus an ceann enough, the last one, I really liked that. Hatton Shay Shin Gomór Lum. Hatton Shay Shin Gomór Lum. I really liked that. Hatton Shay Shin Gomór Lum. Agus sinné go bhí seo, that's it for this video. Don't forget to get your free PDF download below so that you can add some Irish to your emails, work or personal. Agus feicimé an seachtain se hugann. See you next week. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.